Shutterstock has specific technical requirements for photo uploads in 2024. Your images must meet these four essential criteria to be accepted. All photos must be in JPEG format only. Shutterstock recommends using the sRGB color space for optimal compatibility and color accuracy across different devices and platforms. The sRGB color space ensures your images display consistently across web browsers and mobile devices, which is crucial since 65% of stock photo searches now happen on mobile. The upload process starts with completing your contributor application and tax information. You'll need to submit your 7 to 10 best images for initial portfolio review before you can upload more content. Once approved, you can use the drag and drop batch uploading feature to submit up to 50 images at once. Each image needs 7 to 50 relevant keywords and accurate descriptions for optimal discoverability. The submission interface allows you to add detailed metadata, including keywords, descriptions, and categories. This metadata is crucial for buyers to find your content in search results. Shutterstock's AI-powered review system has been significantly enhanced in 2024. It now provides real-time keyword suggestions, more detailed feedback on rejections, and better detection of technical issues. The current acceptance rate for new contributors is 30 to 40%, with an average review time of 1 to 7 business days. The enhanced AI system helps contributors understand exactly why images are rejected, making it easier to improve future submissions. Shutterstock's success depends on meeting strict quality standards. Your photos must demonstrate technical excellence with sharp focus, proper exposure, and minimal noise. Focus on content that businesses would purchase for marketing purposes. Always secure proper model and property releases when people or recognizable locations appear in your photos. Stay updated with current market demands. High-demand categories include AI and technology themes, inclusive diversity, sustainable living, and mental health imagery. Remote work and hybrid lifestyle content are particularly in demand as businesses adapt to new working patterns and seek authentic workplace imagery. Emerging content opportunities include vertical video formats, 360-degree photography for immersive experiences, and drone photography for unique aerial perspectives. By understanding these quality standards and market trends while maintaining high technical excellence, you'll significantly increase your chances of acceptance and earnings on Shutterstock.